Knitting means occasionally running out of yarn or wanting to add more interesting details by swapping out colors every few rounds. Beginner knitting machine knitters, to say that 5 times fast, beginner knitters might feel intimidated to add a new color into their work, but it's much easier than you think. So make sure to stick around to the end. As always, everything I'm using will be in the description below. Let's start. I've worked a couple of rows here, and as you can see, I've reached the end of my first yarn skein. So now I'm adding a new color. There are two ways to do this, and I'm linking the other one up in the cards and in the description below. We're going the slightly lazy route for this tutorial for the ultimate beginner. Here's how I do this quick yarn change. Make sure to knit the peg before the yarn tail. For me, this is the white peg here. If you're changing yarn colors, cut the yarn and leave about a 4-inch yarn tail. But if you're just adding a new skein of yarn, you don't have to cut anything. You just go straight to joining. Take the yarn out of the yarn holder and move it towards the inside of your knitting machine. Now take your new yarn color and tie it to the strand you just cut off. I made 2 square knots to keep them secured. Then continue to crank slowly until you finish a row. It's important that you go slow so your stitches don't drop the new yarn from the pegs. That's the last thing you want, trust me. Now all you have to do is continue cranking along until you finish your project. There's another joining method called the magic knot, and it's linked in the upper right hand corner of this video and in the description below. If you watched this far into the tutorial, please consider joining our newsletter. You'll get regular updates on new videos, free knitting patterns, deals, and more. I'm going to do a couple more yarn changes here with you to show you how it looks all lined up. Also, this clip is from our tutorial on how to knit a scarf on a knitting machine. So if you want your own chunky scarf, make sure to check that out. Okay, here I am making another knot here and just dropping the tails into the middle of the knitting machine. This is the ultimate lazy way of adding yarn. I do have to say that this method only works best if you're making a tubular knitting project and you're hiding the tails inside. Unless you're okay with weaving in yarn tails. If you're working on a flat panel, you might want to check out our magic knot video linked in the description. Eventually, you're going to find a better way to attach new yarn to your knits. But this super easy double knot method can take you far for a good while. Just make sure to tie the knots tightly so it doesn't unravel. I like adding a drop of fabric glue like E7000 to keep things in place. There's no such thing as a right or wrong way to add new yarn to your knits. You should always go for the ones that feel right to you. Anyways, I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on new tutorials and free patterns in the future. See you next week.